welcome back to my channel. Today is another video of sewing and DIYs. For today's video, I will show you how I sew this dress. Let's start sewing. So this is the fabric that I will use. When I saw it from the fabric store, I bought it right away because I love the material and also the texture. And this is my old dress that I will be using for tracing the size of the dress that I will make. Now I folded the dress like this. Next, I will trace the pattern and cut, and as you can see, I adjusted the length as I want it longer. And this is how it looks like after cutting the pattern. This is the front part of the dress, and this is the back part of the dress. And for the sleeves, I will also follow this pattern and make it longer as well. After cutting, this is how it looks like. Now I will start sewing the dress. First, I will use these small pieces of cloth to hide the raw edges of the shoulders. Then after that, I will sew together the front and back shoulder of the dress, right side facing together. After sewing the shoulder, next is the sides of the dress. And as you can see, I made the dress a little bit curvy, and also I add 2 darts on the chests. I already finished sewing the darts, and now I'm sewing the sides of the dress. After sewing, I will do the zigzag stitch to hide the raw edges and also to avoid the shredding of the fabric. Now, on the lower part of the dress, I am folding it inside twice and hem. And this is how it looks like after sewing the sides and also doing the hemline. And now for the sleeves. First, I will hem the sleeves like this. And then I will fold it right side facing together and sew. Now I'm sewing the sleeves to the dress. Then after sewing, I'm doing zigzag stitch to avoid the shredding of the fabric. After stitching the sleeves, I also cut a lining for the neck, and now I'm stitching it right side facing together. Now I'm making cuts on it so that it will have a nice curve after flipping. Before flipping the lining, I'm just stitching the lower part of it to hide the raw edges. So now I already flip it and also put the pins to keep the lining in place while doing the top stitch. It is done, and this is how it looks like. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. See you on my next video. Bye!